Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I really hope that you like my daily video. Let me know what you think so far, and I want to say thank you for Rich Lux. Really pushed me to do daily video. Let me tell you, it is not easy because running my own skincare company, Yibu Beauty. Let's check it out, Yibu Beauty first. And doing YouTube video daily, something that you should know, for the past 7 or 8 years, I don't edit my video at all. I always have people edit it for me, but I have learned how to do the basic editing. So the past whole week, the video you saw, I edited myself. It's not the best, but I think it's not bad. So I really hope that you like the daily video. Please support my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube, share my video, like my video, and comment the video. That means the whole world to me. And there's one more thing, give my skincare brand Yibu Beauty a try. Okay, today's videos we are doing, are you ready? Ta-da! We're doing the July BoxyCharm Premium Box unboxing, and let's open this baby out and see what's in there. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, it's a really great beauty box company. They have 3 different boxes available. The BoxyCharm box is monthly subscription for $25, the value $175 with a 5 item, but you can pick one of your choice. The Luxe box, it's a $49.99. It happens quarterly. It's 8 different products in there. You can pick up to 2 items. It's a value at $395. The premium box is also monthly box, monthly subscription for $35, and the value $215. There's 6 items. You can pick 2 items that you like in the box. So to me, between the $25 and $35, for $10 more, you're getting a lot more for your money. So I definitely will go for premiums. I used to have all 3. I canceled 2. Maybe I should bring it back again. I used to subscribe all 3 boxes, but I canceled 2. Just keep the premium right now. Let me know, should I resubscribe those 2 boxes and to do review and share with you guys. Alright, let's open this baby out right now. When you first open this, immediately you can see this time it's a collaboration with Norvina, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Typically, BoxyCharm box is a combined with a different brand assortment in there. I think this is the first time they have a true collab with just one brand. Even the box has a very special butterfly, the logo from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. And there's a couple different items right there. There's also a discount code, buy one get 50% off. Oh, at the AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. Well, that's very nice. Wow, I didn't realize that. So there's a lot of information. I'm going to take a picture to show you what's in here so you can take a closer look. Alright, so let's open this video up. So I said earlier, let's see if this makes sense. I said earlier that premium box has 6 items, right? So let's see, do I have a 6 item here? So there's a 3 item, 4, 5, 6. 6 items. Okay, so at least I didn't get screwed over. You can see it's all purple. It's, I guess, not their brand color. It's really pretty, very vibrant purple. So I really like this. So let's look at the different item they have in here. So the first one I want to show you is the hydrating oil. It's retail for $45. So just this alone is already get your money back. It's a vegan, wait, it's not, yeah, it is a vegan and a cruelty-free. It's hydration oil. The package is really pretty. I like the base, has a little rim around that. Let's try this a little bit on my hand. Oil, it's really great to have it. Not only can you use your face, on your body, on your hair, you can mix with your different moisturizer or mix with a foundation. So it's really a multi-purpose treatment. So this has a very nice kind of, I think the rose scent, I'm not really sure. but it has a some scent. It's a very more like a herbal scent. So I like it. I definitely would give it this a try. Okay, let's move on to the next item and see what I have here. The next item I have here, it is the eyebrow definer. Oh, that's good. So how much is this baby right here? Please, $23. So let's look at this. Oh, good. I need an eyebrow pencil. So what color is this one? Let's see. Eyebrow definer. What color is this? Dark brown. So I'm gonna put this on my wrist. My hand to show you guys. So that's the colors. Let's take a look on my face. I like the eyebrow has the brushes at the end, so it's just easier to brush your eyebrow up. And I like the shape. They're kind of like a, I don't even know how to, kind of like a angle shade. So it's easy to define your eyebrow a little bit. Okay. Well, I need to twist my eyebrow though, it's all screwed up. Okay, I definitely gonna be using this because the one I have is from Chanel Boys collections, and I'm already running out, so this is really great to have it. The next item I have is a liquid lipsticks, and the color is called Rock Sand, and this is a $20. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's pretty. It's kind of like a nude colored. I'm not gonna put on my lip because I'm probably gonna give this away to my sister or something. So I'm just put it right here to show you guys. It's a very nice, warm, nude colors. Pretty deep. Very nice. Let's see if you smell. No smell. Okay, so that's the liquid lips. Typically, when you have a liquid lipstick, they tend to be last longer once they dry. Okay, let's see what else they got here. So this one is a loose highlighter. So it's probably a loose powder. Let's see. How much is this? $25. Its color is called Peach Fuzz. The box is really pretty. I really like that. Now I have my own skincare company. It just, I know how much things cost. It is crazy, some of the stuff that people buy. Oh, this is pretty, like sparkling pink. So this is a loose highlighter. Wow, take a look. See that? I'm just take a little bit here to show you guys. Wow, it's really bright orange color. Very peachy. The next one is the false lashes. It is a $12. You can see this. Pretty full lashes. Here it's valued $50. Oh my god, it's pretty heavy. I'm not really familiar with the Norvina's Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup. I'm not sure is this the new collection or it's the older collection. It's called the Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. Just take a look. Wow. Has all the colors you can imagine. All the vibrant colors. Tell me, would you use this type of color? Because I mean, I definitely don't think this color is designed for somebody who want natural makeup. It's really for somebody who is, well, how do I say that? They want to be more defined, be more wild, to walk into room and demand tensions. This is the color I see. So ever since I subscribed the BoxyCharm and I have a L'Oreal Beauty box now too, I don't really buy makeup. I mean, I don't even use makeup that much anyway. So I don't even buy them now because I get so much makeup from those beauty boxes. So I would love to hear from you. Which beauty box do you like the most and why? And when you order the beauty box, are you into more makeup or you're into more skincare or different skincare tool? I know for BoxyCharm, there's a selection that you can pick that you want more colors or want more skincare. Some other company don't give you the options. One thing I also like about BoxyCharm is most of the time they are full-size item. A lot of other smaller beauty box like L'Oreal Beauty box, a lot of time they are travel size. It depends on your preference. Do you want travel size or do you want to have a full size? Personally, I like full size because in case I want to give away, this is a very, very nice item to give away, right? So yeah, let me know, since I'm doing video daily, that it's a lot of video. I definitely need help from you guys, and you tell me what type of video you like to see. I was thinking that since I live so close to Disney, I'm going to go Disney a couple times and I'm going to film a lot more Disney content. But instead just film like a trip to Disney a day, we're going to be more focused. Like for example, Winnie the Pooh ride. What is that ride looks like? And then when you finish the ride, what's the shopping at Winnie the Pooh? Or the restaurant? Kind of focus on particular ride and then all the merchant and the restaurant around there and make an episode video like that. So more Disney focus. Definitely let me know your thought on that. If I made more Disney focus, would you be interesting to watch, or you don't even care about that? Since I live in Anaheim, I'm not only close to Disney, I'm also close to Knott's Berry Farm. That's a Snoopy park. I love Snoopy. I can go there too. So definitely let me know what you like to see. You would definitely expect me to do a lot of vlog, because there's only so many content I can create for skincare, since I don't do makeup. And so I want you to take this time to really get to know me, who is Steve Jan, and then take you along behind the Yibu Beauty, what I do every day, where we pack our shipping item, different things related to the business. So let me know if that sounds interesting to you. Alright, so I want to say thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Like this video, share this video, it means a lot to me. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.